Hey there, I've got 2 questions for you that you need to be able to answer about yourself. Number 1, can you positively respond in a crisis or a disaster? And number 2, if you had to spend an unexpected night or maybe even more outside, do you know how to do that safely? That's 2 questions. Ask yourself. That's what this course is all about. I'm going to take you through the mindset, skills, tactics, and gear that you need to positively answer both of those questions. This course was designed specifically for families and those interested in disaster readiness to be more prepared no matter what the situation is. Wilderness, urban, man-made, and natural disasters come in many shapes and forms. We want to prepare you to handle, again, the mindset, skills, tactics, and gear that you need to be prepared. I'm Craig Caudill, Director of Nature Reliance School. I have written 2 books and co-authored 2 others on the topics of backcountry skills, disaster readiness, and survival. All of those are Amazon bestsellers. I'm also a professional backcountry skills instructor for the Department of Defense, the FBI, the DEA, and several state agencies here in the state of Kentucky. What I'm going to do for you in this course is condense all of that information from my books, my online courses, my hands-on courses, all my experiences into a usable format so that you, everybody, whether you're an adult, someone in school, can find your role so that you can be better prepared for disaster or emergency, again, in a wilderness environment or even in an urban environment. We're going to do this in 3 distinct sections, and each section is going to have 4 lessons. Section number 1 is personal. Here are the lessons. Lesson number 1 is an introduction to personal assessment and mindset development. That's just you recognizing what you need to do. Lesson number 2 is group and personal security. Lesson number 3 is gear. And lesson number 4 is how to develop an individual first aid kit. Section number 2 is shelter, your home. Lesson number 5 is bugging in. What happens if you're forced to stay in your home for an extended period of time that was unexpected? Can you take care of yourself? Lesson number 6, what happens when you're forced to be outside your home? Can you take care of yourself if you get lost in the wilderness? Lesson number 7 is water procurement. How do you obtain clean water if you don't have a faucet to get it out of? Lesson number 8 is food. What kind of things you can store at your house and what kind of things you can find in a wilderness environment to take care of your caloric needs. Section number 3 is the worldwide understanding of disaster readiness. Lesson number 9 is bugging out. What happens if you must leave your home and take care of yourself? Lesson number 10 is situational awareness. That is nothing more than being able to see what's going on around you and gather information from it and actually start seeing things you've probably missed. Number 11 is communication. What happens if your cell phone doesn't work anymore? How do you communicate both person to person, and what other things are out there so that you can communicate to others from a distance? And the last lesson is how to practice and test yourself on your skills. There's a big difference between practice and training. We want to make sure you understand that difference and learn how to apply it so that you can better be prepared. After a lifetime of training, writing, researching, and studying the topic, this is what I call vital survival. I'm going to help you become a better you. Come on, join in. Let's learn together.